When it comes to doing the laundry, you no longer need to worry about it costing a fortune. This Hoover washing machine has state-of-the-art features which saves you money after just one wash. The Hoover Wizard app allows you to control your washing machine from your Android smartphone, and with one touch it provides you with additional features such as energy monitoring and voice assist, so you can easily manage your appliance without having to be at home. KG mode is an impressive sensor which weighs your laundry during the first 4 minutes of its cycle, for the washing machine to then adapt its cycle time, water and electricity consumption to accommodate the size of the load, ensuring that your clothes are being washed in the most efficient way. With an A++ energy rating, this Hoover appliance uses the latest technology to deliver perfectly clean results, and being up to 40% more energy efficient, you can save a significant amount of money on your energy bills. This Hoover washing machine delivers exciting and easy to use functions that will instantly make washing your clothes a stress-free occasion.